How to speed up Telegram downloads. For that, first of all, you need to ensure that you have stable internet connection. If you don't have stable internet connection, then try switching out to different networks or try switching your router. Once you are sure that your internet connection is stable and your problem is still not solved, then the very next step you need to do is simply go to the settings. There you'll see general option, tap on that. From here, go to the iPhone storage. Again, scroll down there, you'll see Telegram application. Once you see Telegram application, go through it. There you'll see two options. Among them, choose offload app and do offload app. In this way, you can clear all of your cache from Telegram application. Once you reinstall your application and try log into your account, your Telegram downloads will speed up. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.